Hello, you all. We're back with Deserve Professional Hair Care Products, and we have none other than Mrs. Beverly Johnson. And you all know her. She's our mascot for Deserve. Deserve is taking care of her hair for years, but yet and still, she had started combining these two products. So I'm going to let you listen to Miss Johnson, and she has something to tell you.
Hello. Well, I, as you said, have been using the elixir for a long time. And as you know, I am a breast cancer survivor. And I really, really, really enjoyed using Deserve products. I was using the reversal elixir and we were doing good. It was coming back. It was coming back. My hair was coming back. I was having some results. But I started using the Deserve Derma roll, and my hair has grown immensely. Things have thickened up, and we're doing great. I have no longer have the bald spot in the top of my head, and all of my back and sides are just thickening up tremendously. And thank you, Deserve.
Thank you so much. And you all can log on to our website at deservehealthyhair.com, and you can be just like Mrs. Johnson. And you don't have to settle for wigs or weaves. You can go on her journey. She was slick, bald, you guys, and now she has all of this hair. Go to deservehealthyhair.com. If you're in the Chicago area, we have Topeka's Healthy Hair Inc., and she has the products for you. If you're in the Nashville area, we have TC Distributors Inc. as well. So if you're all over the other states, deservehealthyhair.com is there for you, and because you simply deserve it. Thank you.